this video, I'm going to be showing you how to set Google Chrome as the default browser on the Redmi Note 14. Okay, just watch till the end. Alright, to do that, first of all, you're going to have to open the Redmi Note 14 settings. Now, when you open Redmi Note 14 settings, you're going to actually move down, scroll down to where you see apps, tap apps. Now, in apps, you actually see three dots right here. So tap right there. Then you actually see other settings option. So tap other settings. Now you see the option of default apps. Okay, so you're going to tap on default apps. When you tap default apps, then you're actually going to see this option of browser right here. So tap on browser, and now you actually see right now the current browser is my browser. So you want to set Chrome as a default browser. So you tap on the Chrome so that this tick is actually shown right there. Okay, now you have actually set Google Chrome as a default browser on the Redmi Note 14. Okay, if you get value in this video, consider subscribing.